So, ladies and gentlemen, I just recently bought this cold laminator here. I have a hot laminator in the back, but I don't like taking that big old roll off and trying to put no lamination on it. And I'm not putting lamination on this, but I just want to put this top onto this foam board. So I had to go out and actually purchase one of these cold laminators right here. And this I did 2 jobs so far, and this made everything extremely easy. So if y'all trying to do life-size cutouts, maybe poster boards, this one right here is going to just be a big old 3x6 board right here. You might want to think about investing in this. They have them on Amazon for around like 200 bucks, but I got this one off eBay, same brand and everything, for around about 165. I'm not sure with the tax, but it's $200 without tax on Amazon. This one was 165 on eBay, same brand and everything. So what I'm doing right now, I put a piece of tape right here, and I put a piece of tape right here, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this back right here. I'm going to peel this up and I'm going to fold this back. But hold up, let me get up in here right quick. So I'm going to take this board. Hopefully I can maneuver this while I'm doing this first person view right here, but I'm going to maneuver this board right here, ladies and gentlemen, right up in this slot right here. You see this thing right here? All right. I was talking to somebody who was saying, man, that thing is hard to do. I'm like, not really. You just gotta get the hang of it, I guess. So what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, since I have it already threaded through and it should come right down to the edge of this thing right here, I'm going to just, let me tilt the camera down a little bit. I'm gonna peel this back up right here. You understand me? Boom, let me get down here. And I'm gonna peel this back up, but I'm gonna put it on top of this thing right here. So y'all pay attention. And this is my first time trying to do this while I'm doing a first person view. So y'all be patient with me. Hopefully I don't mess it up. So right there, I got it peeled back. Can y'all see that? All right, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bottom piece and I'm gonna fold it under. Right up under it. Lord, I need to get down low so y'all can see. So I'm gonna fold this up under right here. Boy, y'all better go get y'all one of these. All right, so I'm just gonna fold that under as far as it can go. All right, and I'm gonna fold it down. Boom. No cutting, no nothing. Just folding it down, folding it up. All right. So what I'm gonna do from that point is make sure this is peeled back. I'm gonna go back up under it. So I'm going to use this handle right here and I'm going to roll it back, and it's going to stick it onto this side right here. Then I'm going to peel this back side up all the way back over here, and we're going to peel it the other way. So let me just go ahead and get a good lay on that right quick, ladies and gentlemen. Let me make sure y'all can see. All right. Getting a good lay down right here. That was just the first initial lay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it down to the end. All right. It came out. That's fine, though. I'm going to roll that back. All righty. I'm going to take these pieces of tape off because I don't need these pieces of tape. I just needed to do that so that they can hold it down. So we're going to take them pieces of tape off. And I'm using painter's tape, ladies and guys. Blue tape, because the other tape I was using like regular masking tape, but it wound up being extremely strong. I got it from Home Depot, and maybe it was a good kind. I don't know and stuff. The blue tape is good too, but it's not as strong as that other tape. So just moving this up off the board. Good to go. I'm gonna toss that in Triz ash. It fell on the flizzo. It's all right. So what we gonna do, like I said, we gonna fold this back. Boom. We gonna fold it all the way, and then that piece that we folded down, can y'all see it right there? Can y'all see? Boom. That piece we gonna peel up in the front. All right, so you see that? Peeling this one back. Now we just going to roll this joker all the way. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll it this way so I can peel off this right here at the same time. I need a wide shot, and this is as wide as I can go, ladies and gentlemen. So You can peel this back right here if you want to, and maybe I will peel some. But as y'all can see, there you go. Just go slowly but surely, ladies and gentlemen. You can go fast too if you want to, but you don't want to go too fast because you don't want to mess nothing up. But you might have to do a little practice to make sure you got the hang of it. But yup, and then I have this chair right here because I'm using this table to go this way, and I could turn everything sideways and use the whole table, but I'm just gonna use this chair right quick to prop this up under here. And we're gonna keep on going, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty. So this is only my third job using this thing, but I just wanted to show y'all because I'm having so much fun with it. I ain't gonna lie. It's been making stuff so much easier. I used to use the poor man's method where I used like a piece of foam board on top of the other piece of foam board. And I pretty much used to do the same thing that I'm doing right now, but it was so difficult using the foam board because sometimes it doesn't lay down flat and stuff like that. So, and with this, it's a little tricky. You got to make sure you get your tension dialed in right, because if your tension is not right and it's not holding it enough, it's not going to lay down right. And if it's holding too tight, it's going to probably put bubbles and all type of stuff up in there. So it's going to peel this back a little bit more, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just having fun with it. So once again, we just rolling it on there. Now, if I had somebody who was peeling the film while I was rolling, that would be really, really fun. But since I don't and I'm doing everything myself, that's fine. I'm almost done anyway. All right. So this process is like saving me so much time, ladies and gentlemen, because this thing used to be difficult. Yes, it was. Not really difficult using the poor man's method, but boom. And now the reveal. Aha! Not a bubble up in there. I don't got a squeegee nut and everything looking good. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the lever and I'm going to roll it back. Make sure it's laid on there real good. And I'm gonna roll it back. Yep, ladies and gentlemen. That thing is on there and it's looking good. Now, what I'm gonna do after this, I'm gonna take this board and I'm just going to cut it up. And that will be it for this customer. They coming to pick this thing up tomorrow. Let me show y'all right quick. Board is ready. This is a 4x8 board, but the artwork on here is a 3x6. So that is a 3x6 piece of artwork on a 4x8 board. That 2 feet that's at the bottom, I'll be able to use that for another job, like maybe a casket insert or a picture board or something like that. But with 2 feet on the bottom, I can do a 2x3, and that'll make me a nice little bag, you know, instead of throwing that in the trash. So guys, that is it. I hope you learned something. I hope you got motivated and you go out and you grab yourself one of these. As I said, $200 on Amazon, $165 on eBay, and free shipping as well. So, you know, if you Amazon Prime, you get free shipping, and eBay just automatically give you free shipping. So, you know, but that's it for me, guys. So I'm out of here. I'm gonna talk to you later. All right, here are the finished products. That is a 3x6. I guess that's like maybe a poster board, the one that's over here, and this is a 33x80 retractable banner. I told Pops that, well, actually, Pops told me that the quality of the images were really, really bad. I did the best that I could to make it right, but they are kind of blurry, but this is all he had, and I worked with it the best that I could. This one is really horrible. Ooh, Lord Jesus. But that's all he had. Look at that stuff around the letters. But he said, man, just make it work. I ain't even tripping. I just need it for a wedding that's coming up. I don't know who these people are. As a matter of fact, I think that's his son. I'm not exactly sure who these people are right here, but I hooked him up. I got him together. So he will be picking these up tomorrow, and you dig. So man, y'all need that cold laminator, man. Go out and grab that real quick. Right there, down there on the floor. Boom. Yep, y'all need that right there. And if you want to jump to the big boy, go ahead, get you one of them back there, the hot laminator. But yes, sir, we are good, ladies and gentlemen. So looking good, looking good. So I'll holler at you guys on the next video, okay? Make sure you guys love and respect one another. Peace.